extending to you a very warm welcome. Bulavinaka, Honorable Minister.
Bulavinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It's a great pleasure for me to be here. I was actually here last year. I also crowned the reigning queen, so it's been good to come and also be involved in the passing on of the crown to the new Miss Vodafone Millennium Sinu Festival of 2019. At the outset, I think all of the words of thank you have been already expressed to all the sponsors, to Vodafone. Thank you, Vodafone, for sponsoring this festival for the people of Nasinu, and also to all the organizers, Nasinu Town Council, to all of the organizations that are sponsoring our lovely queens this evening, and especially to all of you that have gathered here tonight. All of you from Nasinu and from all the surrounding areas. I think you have contributed to an excellent turnout for the crowning night for the 2019 Vodafone Millennium Sinu Festival. First of all, I think we should all salute all the contestants. Let's give them another round of applause. All the contestants for all the lovely hard work that they've done. And we have to commend them for having the strength and the courage to come forth and be contestants, because they will tell you it is not an easy thing. This year, I'm told that the theme for this contest this year is all about NCDs. NCDs, something that is absolutely very critical. And I hope that if, for those of you that have been coming to the various events every night, that you will take back the message of NCDs. This is the thing that is killing Fijians today. 80% of all Fijians who die before the age of 70 die because they make the wrong choices in their life. 80% of people that die before the age of 70, premature death, is because they make the wrong choice in life. My message to you tonight will be very simple. You have to manage your snap in order to avoid the snake. You have to manage your snap in order to avoid the snake. The snake is the thing that happened to you when this major NCD diabetes gets to you. Snake, S stands for skin. If you don't manage the snap, I'm going to talk about that later, you will get a lot of skin diseases. Snake. N is nutrition. If you eat the wrong food, you will get these NCDs, especially diabetes. A is for arteries. If you do not manage the thing that you do, you'll find that your arteries get clogged up and you'll get heart attack and all of those kinds of problems. K is for kidneys. Diabetes leads to a lot of kidney problems. People that kidney suffers, you will have that problem. Snake. And E. What is E? E stands for eyes. Diabetes leads to blindness. These are the things that happen if you don't manage the SNAP. Do you know what the SNAP stands for? S-N-A-P. S stands for smoking. Smoking, the biggest killer. And this is something that we have to get rid of and reduce in this country. The more that you smoke, you put the wrong gas into your body, you're killing yourself. Make sure your children, your grandchildren, everybody around you stop smoking. S of the SNAP is smoking. S. The second one, N. Now I've forgotten what the N stands for. N is for nutrition. N is for the food that you eat. N is for the food that you eat. If you put the wrong food into your stomach, you will get sick. A is for alcohol. And I think for us in Fiji, it's not just alcohol. And what's the other one that we drink? Yangona. Too much of Yangona. Too much alcohol, too much Yangona will lead to problems. And the P, what does the P stands for? Physical activity. If you eat too much food, you don't move your body. If you do not manage your SNAP, you will get the snake. Can you remember that? If you do not manage the what? If you don't manage the SNAP, you will get the snake. And the snake is skin disease and all of those problems that I've talked about. That is the message that you have to keep. It's the most important message that you can take to your children and to your community. things that you have to manage. That is going to be my message to you tonight. But I think tonight is going to be a night the crown is going to be handed on. But I believe in my heart of hearts that all of these lovely, dazzling young beauties are all winners. You're all winners because you have the courage to stand forth to be scrutinized by people. That takes courage. And I think all of them will have gained a lot of advantage and benefits from the fact that they've been through this program. The confidence to speak in public, to walk around and to visit the very places they have visited, all of them will be winners tonight. They are not the only winners. The people of Nasinu are winners because you get this festival in the heart of Nasinu that you enjoy. So I hope that you will enjoy tonight. We congratulate the reigning queen. She's about to give up her crown to the new queen. We will congratulate the queen that is coming in and all the lovely ladies. You're all winners tonight. May God bless you all. May God bless the Nasinu Sinu Festival, and may God bless Nasinu. Valelevu.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join us in congratulating your Miss Nasinu 2019 with Vodafone Fiji Limited, Miss Lay Entertainers, Irnieta, John McKinley. Ladies and gentlemen, please, another warm round of applause.